In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable emergency SOS call with the hold buttons on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings. Then scroll down until you find Emergency SOS. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find Call with Hold and Release. All you have to do is just turn on that feature, and once you did that, you will be able to make emergency call by holding your side button and volume up button at the same time. I'm just gonna hold them. Then this screen comes up, and if you continue holding that buttons, countdown will start, and after the countdown it will call emergency SOS number. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.